Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Box Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have a video for tokens. This is tokens number 12. I had a set of about 17 or 18 bags worth of tokens, and this is number 12. It's tokens number 3. They've not been done in order. I just broke them into bags and then fished them out as and when I was going to record them. So this is tokens number 3. First token is one that's set tone. It's a telephone coin. Telephonic. It could be either German or French, and it's keyed in such a way that there's 2 keys on this side and 1 key on that side, so it can only fit in one way, and is possibly only used in certain, or was used in certain telephones that you bought tokens for. The next one is a gaming token. It's a very thin gold gaming token. We have seen these before in the tokens videos. They're not fantastically great, but they do a job. So, not sure what you can say about that one. It's a very thin coin. This is a 20p token. That's a stepped token. In other words, the rim is slightly lower than the centre part. I don't know if that's a key mechanism to make sure it can only go in the one way and it can only accept the one lot of tokens. I don't know whether that's true or not. It's a 20p value. I suppose it could even be used in a gaming machine, since it has a value. Next one. That looks like 2 people watching a football game. And it's a one key token. In other words, it's got 1 central key. It's quite a basic token when you consider the first one I showed. So could be car parking system, could be a vending machine even. Next we have a token from BMPP. Again, it could be car parking or something similar. You know, you've got a system where you work, say, and it's got one of those things that one of the things that go up and down, the barrier that goes up and down. It may well be that you use these tokens to open and close the barriers. This one I believe is a gaming token. I think these ones, if I remember rightly, in Blackpool are used in things like the Pleasure Beach in these one-armed bandits and similar things to that. This one's a smaller coin of the same type as the one I've just shown. Again, gaming, fruit machines, something like that. Can't really say for sure. We have a Paymaster token. Not sure what these would be used for. It could be something as simple as a vending machine, so people could get so many free cups of coffee a day or whatever. I don't know what the situation is with those. But that's certainly one of the things that they were used for. This one has a manufacturer's name on, or it may even be the company that used it. Don't know, it didn't say in the research when I tried. Excuse me. Tried looking it up. It has a motif on the back and gives some information about the company. It looks like Rutler Dearth, maybe. Could be the people who manufactured the token, or it could be the company it was made for. Don't really know. Couldn't find anything out. This one has a 10p value. I don't know whether it's how old this is, but it could be as right about the change on into the decimal system, which would have been the early 70s, 1971. I had seen these types of tokens used in one-armed bandits, or the electronic version of the one-armed bandit. So, and they were giving out when a prize went over a certain amount, or if the machine ran out of money. This gaming token came from Barry's in Portsrush. I don't know if Barry's still exist. I think it would probably have been a seaside type token. Certainly with the look on the background, because that looks like a Ferris wheel. Now whether there was a penny arcade or whatever, I don't know. But that looks as if it's a token that you could exchange for prizes, probably. And the last one is a bit unusual because it actually has a French type head on it. It's not Marianne, but it is from France or Belgium. It may well have been used in both of them, and it is for a public telephone network. So you go into a shop, buy the tokens, and then use them in the telephone kiosks. Of course, this was a few years ago now, and way before I started travelling, probably sort of, I think they were in the sort of 60s, 70s, 80s maybe. Well, that ends this particular token hunt. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, could you please give me a thumbs up? If you enjoyed it, then please give me the thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? I do a minimum of 4 and usually up to 6 videos a week at this moment in time. So you should find something that you enjoy watching. I am looking to up my subscriber level from 250 at the end of last year through to 425 by the end of this year. It's currently the end of February and I have 285 subscribers. So I do need your help, and if you can and you wish to subscribe to the channel, I would be grateful. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for staying to the end, and bye bye. Ta-da now.